Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions Day 5 SumIFS. SumIFS is, as name says here, SumIFS, IFS. Yes, it is multiple of ifs, nothing but multiple condition checking before you do a summation. And myself, Dayanand, with Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos. Let's begin. Day 5 SumIFS. Now I have a table here. Virat Kohli score, venue, and type of the match. The matches are T20, Test, and ODI. So, objective of today is to find out not the average, the sum. Sum of marks scored by Kohli in Sydney only in T20. So there are two criteria. Number one, it should be only in Sydney. Number two, only in T20. Okay, let me list down both the criteria here. So number one is Sydney, other one is T20. Okay, let me show you how do we achieve this. So begin with SumIf. Pick the second one, SumIfs. So it requires so many, you can use any number of condition criterias you would like to. You can even have 10 different criterias, right? So, but for our learning, I'm keeping it simple, learning with only two criterias. Okay. So first thing it requires us to give a sum range. This is where my range, where my marks and scores are available. And the criteria range. So the criteria one is Sydney. Sydney is available in this range. And the criteria is Sydney. Done. So these are the three, you already know this, right? Now comes the criteria range 2 and the criteria 2. Then the criteria range 3 and the criteria 3. Now this part, the sum range will be fixed. It will be always the same. But your criteria range will be, you may use a different range based on your criteria. So now I have used Sydney, which is here in the B column, and now the criteria range 2 is the match type, and that is in C column, and the criteria is here, just under that, right? Okay, so that shows 130. Let's verify is that true or not. So Sydney T20, yeah, I see one here, and Sydney T20 2. Are there anywhere else Sydney T20? No, I don't see any. So 50 plus 80 is equal to 130. That's it for today. So simple short videos to the point explanation, right? And you can continue exploring it, continue adding 2-3 other criteria if you wish to, but for learning I'm keeping it limited. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. Happy learning.